Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are driving out on Newport West or the Wharf area and going on to Marcus Garvey Drive. We're turning right onto Marcus Garvey Drive and heading towards the downtown Kingston area. If we had turned left, we'd take Marcus Garvey Drive down to the Portmore Expressway or towards Hagley Park Road. Now on the left, you're going to see a lot of cars. It's a bonded warehouse so that when the cars come off the wharf, they go there. It's a secure facility, and the dealers don't have to pay the duty when the car is over at that facility. To remove the car from the facility now, they have to pay the duty. But it's a lot of cars in storage. A subscriber had mentioned that Jamaica is a transshipment point. So not all these cars might be for Jamaica. They might be just storing them there until they send them to another island or another country. So that could be one reason why there are so many cars over there. But the reason why I commented on it is because cars are short, or a few months ago there was a serious shortage of cars. And to have so many cars just sitting down on the lot like that. But we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on with it. Alright, so on the right now is the entrance. If you are going to go to the wharf, you would take you would turn right at the stoplight. Also on the right, you have a lot of warehouses. Now on the left is the Greenwich Farm area. It's a community, a very large residential community. Now T. Grady's Grant is on the right. It's where they also have their warehouse and administrative office. But the most popular location on Marcus Garvey Drive is what you call Petrojam, which is on the right. So if we turn left here, we go on to East Avenue, and that would take us into the Greenwich Farm area. And on the right, you can see all those storage tanks, because Petrojam is an oil refinery. So those where they store the oil or the gasoline, the refined products. On the left is a warehouse. It has to do with the coffee Wallingford. It's a coffee manufacturer. So all of the facility on the right is Petrojam. On the left is Maxis. It's a tire warehouse. Actually, they sell the Maxis brand tire over there. On the left is a Hard Trust NTA training facility. It's a Garmix Academy. On the right is the Edward Siaga building, also a part of Petrojam. Now on the left is a free zone. It's operated by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica. It's a Garmix free zone. Now coming up on the right is the Hunts Bay power station for JPS. And because you have so many factories on this road or in this area, you have to have an adequate supply of electricity. So the Hunts Bay power plant provides a lot of electricity for the area. So on the left is Industrial Terrace. That's where you would take to, if you are heading into the Tivoli Gardens area or the West Kingston area, you could take that road. On the left, on the right is the Nutramix Factory, and they deal with food products. On the left is Seprod. So to the right of all of these factories is the Kingston Harbour. So a few of these factories like Petrojam, Nutramix, they have ports on the harbour. They have their own berth where the ships can come in and dock and load and unload goods right at their facility. On the left is nutrition products. Alright, so those tall buildings that you're looking at straight ahead to the right, that's on Ocean Boulevard. And Ocean Boulevard overlooks the Kingston Harbor. So it's a very popular area and you have a lot of prime real estate over there. Okay, so this is on the right is the downtown Municipal Transport Center. Alright, so we're now on Harbor Street, and Harbor Street is one of the main roads that take you through downtown Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.